Very good afternoon to my dear friends. Today we will we will learn the CNC machine. What are the advantages of CNC machine? What is the definition of why the CNC machine we are using in these days? CNC machine having so many advantages in our life, such as if where we are requiring the machine component of the job very fast with accuracy. So many times we are producing so many products in the batch production, so we can use the CNC machine in these days. Modern age of the life, in the modern age of the engineering science, modern age of the engineering field, modern age of the engineering workshop, they are using the CNC machine, NC machine, various CNC machine. So nowadays various CNC machine are coming from in our life. There is a CNC machine. Basically, CNC machine producers, the CNC machine makers are from the Japan. If we see that the Fanuc CNC machine, these Fanuc CNC machine are making by Japan Industries. Japan is the main manufacturer industry for the Fanuc machine. Fanuc machine, Fanuc machine, Fanuc machine. What is the how we can write that? FANUC, Fanuc CNC machine. This is used. This is the two-axis. This is the two-axis machine where we use the. We want to make the turning process. We want to make the facing process in the job workpiece, in the workpiece. So we can use that Fanuc machine, which is operated automatically only. Automated. There is the automated motion machine. There is the automated conceptions in the Fanuc machine. Fanuc machine is acting on the two axis. This is performing only the x-axis and there is a z-axis. For the x-axis, the Fanuc machine, if we are using for the coding machine, for Fanuc machine, if we are manufacturing the product with the help of Fanuc machine, so there is a two axis. These are the two axes. For the x-axis, it is used for diameter operation. Diameter operation. If we are giving the dimension, if we are operating the tool in the diameter in the covering the diameter, so we can use the x-axis. And if we are using the horizontal way, if we are using the linear direction cutting, so we can use the z-axis. Z-axis is used for linear operation. Linear operation. So Fanuc is basically linear operation. Fanuc is basically used for making the making the turning operation, facing operations. If we are making the spindle, if we are making the job of the short type of the shaft, such as if we are making the such type of the a job, so we have to use there is one tool which will operate in this direction, and such as it will cover from this direction, and finally we can make it in the shape of this type of the tool, this type of the job, this type of the workpiece. So we can make the workpiece converted in. Finally, how we can say that finally we will get this such type of the product. But if we are having the tool, if we are having the workpiece just like it, so we have to convert it in this direction, and we want to make the turning operation with the help of tool. This is the tool. With the help of tool, we have to remove the metal from here and here. So the machine is basically rotating in the jaw. So the jaw or the spindle is rotating in just this direction. In this direction, spindle is the workpiece is rotating with the help of fixturing the workpiece in the machine. So the job is rotating in this direction, and it is the shaft. So there is a one tool which will circulate in this direction, and there is a tool which will connect it here, and it will remove the chip and remove the metal. So it will remove it from here and it is rotating in this direction also. So x distance cover the diameter portion and z is traveling the tool of the portion. So if the tool will traveling in the linear direction and the work is also rotating in this direction. So for that purpose we are using the x code and the z code. We are giving the x dimension and the z dimension. X dimension, x axis we are using the x axis for the diameter performance and we are using the z axis for the linear performance, linear operation. So this is the basically performance of the CNC machine which is available in the Fanuc machine is available. Fanuc machine is manufacturing company is from the Japan. Japan is the Fanuc machine manufacturing industry. Fanuc machine manufacturing industry is Japan. So Japan is giving the Fanuc machine, providing the Fanuc machine where in the Fanuc machine we can feed the data, we can give the program, we can create the program, and after that it will get the program and it will sense the program and it will get the signals, then it will perform the operation which we have feeding in the CNC machine. Now basically introduction of the what we can say that the CNC machine, why we are using the CNC machine. CNC machine is connected. So basically CNC machine is connected to the computer system and the computer command is taken from the computer program and the signals and in the inside of the machines, and it will give the performance to make the product and our job, our work piece which we are willing to get the particularly as per our requirement. So this is the introduction. So we can say that when a machine system is connected to computer system, all the machining is done by using the set of the computer commands then it is called CNC machine. So my dear students, if when the machine system is connected to the computer system and all the machining is done by using the set of the computer commands, then it is called a CNC machine. So it is called a computer numerical control machine. Now the example of what are the example of the CNC machine? What are the example of this type of the machine? CNC machine example, we can say that such type various type of the CNC machine is available, such as lathe machine, milling machine, laser cutting machine, etc. These are the example of the CNC machine. CNC machine can perform the lathe machine. It is also available in the form of the CNC lathe machine, CNC milling machine, and CNC laser cutting machine, etc. These are the example of the CNC machine. So advantage. What are the advantages of the CNC machine? CNC machine basically, how we can say that the very advantages of the CNC machine are available in these days. So CNC machines advantage, what we can say that advantage of the CNC machine. Advantage of CNC machine. CNC machine advantage. What are the advantage of the CNC machine? CNC machine can provide the accuracy. Machine can provide the accuracy, and CNC machines are the very cost effective for the today's life of the field of the engineering. And the complex geometry, if you want to make the complex geometry, so it can perform very easily by the CNC machine. So what are the advantages of the CNC machine? We can say that we can get the highly accuracy. Second advantage is cost effective production. And third one is complex geometry product can be easily manufactured. So what are the advantages of the CNC machine? CNC machine can be highly accuracy can be achieved. Second one is cost effective production can be achieved. And if you want to make the complex geometry of the product, that can also be done very easily. These are the advantages of the CNC machine. So there is a history of the CNC machine, and NC machines are available in these. You can see that in the net also. You can find that what are the duration lifetime period of the CNC machine. The improvement in the industries, improvement in our life engineering field. You can see that very well. So first of all, what we can say that the history of machine technology. The history of the CNC machine and NC machines are first times from the 1950 to 1970. There is a time period of the NC machine. Now there is that from the 1960, mid of the 1960 and the 1970, the time period of that time, it is starting the portion of the CNC machine. The manufacturer one is the 1950 to 1970. We are using the NC machine, and 1960 between the 1960 and 1970 we are using the CNC machines. Now these days also we are using the CNC machines. After that 1980s time we are started the FMS, flexible manufacturing system. Meanwhile there is a 1970 age of the 1970 years, and this time we are using the CAD. But after that there is a new improvement in the engineering field. We are using the CAM also, which is used to manufacture the machine component, and also in these days we are using the CAM software, CAD software. CAM software, what are the CAM software? We can use use the CAM software if we need to manufacture so many softwares are available. For the design software, we can say that Creo software is available in these days. AutoCAD is we are using. The AutoCAD is also the manufacturing software. CAD software is AutoCAD. Creo software is also used for design software, and for computer integrated manufacturing we are using this software with the help of Fanuc machines, with the help of manufacturing, with the help of so many software we are using the manufacturing purpose. We can say that computer integrated for the manufacturing system for the manufacturing purpose. These are the duration of the history of the machine technology for CNC machine and CAD software and computer integrated manufacturing purpose. Now, my dear students, there is a code. If we are telling that I am telling that there is a code for the CNC machine and the numerical control machine. For the numerical control machine, they are using the punch tape. For punching, the code is feeding with the help of punch tape reader. There is a punch tape reader. But the CNC machines, computer numerical control software and computer aided manufacturing software is using the computer program. If we are making the computer program, software, we are making the program if we are feeding the program in the computer, so it executes the program and it will take the signals, and it will signal is provided to the machines component, and there we can provide the manufacturing component. We can provide the job, and we can get the finish the job with the help of computer. These are the computer CNC machine, and we are using the computer aided manufacturing purpose. There is a G for the various codes. Various codes are available. There is a various codes. What we can say that if there is a for the CNC Fanuc machine, there is a two type of the codes are basically main code. First one is the G code. Second one is the M code. In the G code, what we can say that first one G00. Here is the G00 is available here. I am writing here that G00, G01, G02, G03, and next one is the G20 and G20, G21, G228, G70, G71, G72, G92. These are the various types of the code for the using the CNC machine. What we can say that G00 basically if you are starting the computer aided manufacturing program. Or we can say that if we are using the computer program for the CNC machine, so you have to all times you have to write the first initially started with the code is that is the G00. G00 is why we are using the G00. G00 is rapid tool positioning. Rapid tool positioning, whenever you have to start the computer and we have to start the CNC machine, you have to give the rapid tool positioning to the tool. How can we see that these perceptions? If you are willing to make this type of the component and you have to make this type of the component, so firstly you have to make it the tool positioning. For the tool positioning, whenever you start the program, you have to start with the initial position, that is the G00 for the rapid tool positioning. G00 stands for the rapid tool positioning, and there is a G01. After, if you want to make the rapid for linear interpolation, for linear interpolation, you can use if you want to make the tool in the linear direction, so you have to use the linear G001.